야 성현아 반응 따라. 우와 우와 오.
아니 그럼 선셋 소리 우리 마지막 때
저 옛날에 진짜 잘한 거 한 300번 300번 돌고.
아니 씨
And Michael Keaton was my favorite Batman. I was walking down the street just the other day. I saw these two fine bitches, they were walking my way. Yo, what you girls doing tonight is what I wanted to say. But suddenly I panicked, my voice started to shake. So I put my head down and I just walked away. I had a bus to catch anyway. It worked out great. Got on the bus, put my headphones on and pressed play. Sheryl Crow, James Blunt, motherfucking Ace of Base. Yo, what can I say? It's just a day in my life. I'm up early in the morning, in bed early at night. To be productive at work, I gotta be well rested.
아니 설담이었어. 다 땀이. 그래서 아이스 나니까 재밌어.
My favorite movies as a kid was Superman and Ghostbusters. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I have a hard time opening my eyes underwater. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. And I'm not a huge Nicolas Cage fan. I'm from a lower middle class family. Me and my brothers and sisters played hide and seek. I have good memories from my childhood, bitch. My favorite toy was my fucking fire truck, bitch. I used to play with that motherfucker all day long until I learned about sex from the CNN. And then I played with my motherfucker all day long. About 10 times a day, man, all year long. My favorite song, motherfucker, I don't like to admit it.
이게 안 피해져?
From the movie Titanic. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. Every time I hear that fucking shit, a tear comes to my eye. Leonardo DiCaprio has to die. Yo, I'm not afraid to say that I'm a sensitive guy. Sticks and stones break my bones.
왜 이렇게 늦게 이게?
야야야 미샤.
She really hurt me. Why'd she call me stupid face? Is my face stupid? How's that even possible? A person can be stupid, but a face that's impossible. It happens all the time, and you learn how to deal with it. Regular, everyday, normal fucking bullshit. Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. When I get into a fight, I usually leave on a stretcher. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. When I got nothing to say, I usually talk about the weather. Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I like the first Back to the Future, but the second one was better. Just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I like red peppers better than the green ones.
와.
Mine broke about 6 months ago. Motherfucker. Go, shorty.
이럴 줄 알았다.
It's your birthday. Go party like it's your birthday. I wasn't invited, but it's okay. I'll just stay at home and play some video games.